Okay guys, so we've got this working. Let's check out the okay, so what we can do, we've got these controls there, we can play with these. So let's delete this, and you know what, let's have a look at these controls, because every little helps, right? Okay, all right, we'll just lean it in a bit more, copy that to the end, and lean it a bit this way. Yeah, let's check out, flatten that and cycle it. Okay, can we translate that? Okay, so what we can do here, when it comes down, we can compress a little bit, and then what we can do here is come up, impact, then comes down. Yeah man, let's check that out. Put this up. Let's have a look at that. I'll just give it that little bit more. And if you want, let's go a little bit higher. Excuse me. Yeah, it's creating that little bit of more volume, which is pretty cool, isn't it? And also what we might do is we could go down and move it, rotate it down as well. And it comes up, go up, then down, and then up. What we might do here with the up in the graph editor, just match this. Okay, let's check that out. Yeah, see, it's adding more. You're getting more of the involvement in the upper, which is cool. And then we can start using, what's this? Okay, that's the second one, right? It doesn't rotate though, does it rotate? Oh, it rotates as well. Cool. That's going to be more translate. So, okay, what we'll do, we'll delete everything in between. Again, impact, slightly down, up, impact, number 3, slightly down, and it's up. And we can check that out. Bring this, let's check this out. And then there's this one too. The Z, the X. Okay. Alright, that's cool. And then the head, of course. With the head, what we'll do is delete this. We'll start off kind of up a bit, and then obviously lands, impact, and then he comes up, land, impact, okay. And then what we'll do, we'll just tone it down a bit because it was a bit too much there. Let's have a look at it now. Okay. We tone it down a little more, man. It's a bit too much. Just want a little movement, right? And then now what we'll do is, remember that first one we did? So what we can do, we've got a second one. Just select everything, move it by 1. Let's offset it. And then we go to this one, select everything, move it by 1. Oh, sorry, move that by another 1. Sorry, so let's move that by 2. And then this one, we'll move that by 3. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, that squash, we don't want that. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're just setting a little offset. See, it just makes the head have a little bit more weight. And the neck and everything is just carrying a bit more. And then you can tone that down if you want, if it's too much for you, but I think that adds a bit of weight to it, man. Other things you can do is, for example, you've got the knees here. Okay, now what we can do with these knees, we can kind of bring them in like this. Just line them up. Actually, you know what? Let's leave these where they were. They're fine. So what we're going to do is, when there's an impact like this, key before, and then our key with the impact here, and then I will move it, and then move it back. So you're getting a bit of a jitter. There, see? You get a jitter. And you can kind of tone it down however you want in here. But that's what you're looking for, because when it lands, it's like, you know, we want that jitter to kind of sell the weight in, out, there. So this one was in, and then in. There, you see, you're getting that little weight. I'll just let me save this. Let me save this. Remember, save your work. Obviously, I'm saving this for you guys. Please excuse my cough. It's been going around everywhere. God, Lord help me. All right. So you're getting that movement. And then other polishing things you can do. Let me just take this off there. There. See, there's a bit of a heavy, and a bang, 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 bang. Yeah, so what we could do, you see these, you see here? And you got this control here for the stomach and lower area. Now, what we can do, we can select all, this is like, because it's a cycle, we can kind of select all of them, and we can delete everything in between. And we can do the same thing. So we find out where the impact is, impact, and then down. Slightly, not too much. Does not do too much. And then halfway is up here. So we'll just put a keyframe there so we know it's halfway, and then just copy the first key there, up, and then again, down, and then up. And then we can go into our graph editor, flatten the end keys, cycle it, and then we'll just play it now. Okay, now what we can do is try and scale it. So say if we scale it up. Alright, scale it up a lot. See, that's too much. Look at the shoulders. That's even too much. Look at that. Alright, we got it at that, yeah? Now, So the bottom one, the top is going to stay at his. The second one, we can move it one, and then the top one, we can move it 3. So we'll go 1, 2, sorry. And then we can go back into this first one and be like, all right, it lands there, raises there. We can manually raise it down. And then we can just do that. So let's have a look now. And we could do the same for the bottom one. Go down. And then make this go up. And have a look. Add a little bit more fleshiness to it. If we check this out, move it up and then down. There, just adds a bit more volume. And then if you want, you could offset. There, you see you're getting a bit of a chest offset there, so you can move it back a bit. Move it back. So there's a little bit of a chest there. You can see the second, it's just landing as he lands. So yeah, that's how you do a walk with a weight. Bit of a weight, yeah. And snapping on the feet. The other thing we can do, which I don't know how I forgot. Yeah, make sure there's that weight transfer happening on the side too. The other thing we can do, which I didn't do, is, god damn it, the feet. So we got this, the toe control. Can't forget this. Oh man. Here, we could even have it slightly back. Even here, slightly back. And it comes up here. And it lands. And then, remember the heel lands first. Heel first. Is this alright? 0, yeah. Heel first, heel lands, then the foot. And then you come here, you can make those minor changes where like this. Come here, we can make that 0. So it's going along flat. And then as he comes there, it pushes off. Then you can start, then you can maybe push it back like that, and then you see you get that flop. But you don't have to do the flop too much, you could do a little bit. Depends on your liking. Again, other toe, delete everything. So come here, up, and 0 that out. Up to there, keep that toe on the floor still. It comes up and then drags. Could drag that back. Drag it back there. Just slightly. And then you can copy that end one to the start. There, see? That should be all right, mister. So yeah, that's just a walk with a bit of weight, you know, just playing with the timing more. 26 frames, you could put it to 30 frames if you want, depending on, you know, the character, but this is just like a trying to show that there's a bit of effort, you know. And then as you can see, when the character's running, you know, the important things, if you look at the back, this model's pretty good, but look, you can see, you know, and then obviously the other way, you know, you're getting that nice, you get that nice line coming through, you know, the body. That's what you're looking for the twist, you know. It's just a twist, well, I don't know if it's corkscrew, but it's a twist. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. I enjoyed this one. It's something different, nice character, you know. ProRigs, can't go wrong with ProRigs. They are amazing. I just got an email from them for a rig update, so they regularly update, which is brilliant. So check them out. Definitely worth the 18. What do I pay? What, £16 a month for them? Definitely worth it, man. We get all the support, everything. Great models too. Whole load of models. All right, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Keep doing these exercises.